This patriotic bouquet of tissue paper carnations makes great table decorations for your 4th of July party. They're easy to make with just a few simple supplies, so let me show you how. For this project, you'll need red, white, and blue tissue paper, green pipe cleaners, a pencil, something round to trace around that's about 4 inches in diameter, regular scissors, and picking shears or decorative edge scissors. To start each flower, begin by preparing the stem. We're going to start with a red flower, so cut a piece of tissue about 1 inch by 1 inch. Hold the end of the pipe cleaner about 2/3 of the way up the paper, and then twist the tissue around the end of the pipe cleaner as tightly as you can. Twist the loose part at the top and then fold it down. Then bend the end of the pipe cleaner so that the loose part is contained in the middle. So you want it to look something like that. Now we're going to cut out the petals of the flower. So you want to trace around something round that's 3.5 to 4 inches in diameter. I found that a red cup works really well. So I'm going to go, trace around this, and I've got several layers of my tissue paper that I'm going to cut through at once. So for each flower, you want to cut out 10 circles. Once you've got your 10 circles cut out, hold them together and use pinking shears or zigzag decorative scissors to cut all around the edge. Now we're going to cut some petals into the flower. So put your thumb in the middle of the petals and don't cut too far in. You want to leave at least about 1 inch across the middle there. But cut in and make 4 cuts equally spaced. And then make 2 cuts in each quarter. Again, not going too far in. Just keep your thumb there so that you don't cut all the way through. Doesn't need to be perfectly even or even very neat. It will all look good at the end. Take the first petal and poke the end of the pipe cleaner directly through the center. Then you're going to scrunch this one up all the way. Careful not to rip the hole, just scrunch the petals and send it all the way up the pipe cleaner until you get to the end. Then you're going to add each petal and scrunch it up, not quite as much as you did the first one, and move it up to the top of the flower. Do this with each of the 10 petals. Once you've got all 10 petals on, give it one last light scrunch and you're finished. Now add some white and blue carnations to make your patriotic bouquet. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you more craft videos. There's new ones every week, so please subscribe.